What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here bringing you another great video to the channel. And this is your first time here guys, I highly suggest, and I really do mean highly suggest you hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop good videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never want to miss out on things. Alright guys, so on this channel we do a lot of product reviews, so today's another product day to review. Alright, so I did buy this battery charger for the car charger. The reason why I bought it is because I do have a battery. So for some reason, my car is killing the battery for some reason. And every time I've taken the battery back and say, I need to replace because this battery is dead, it's like, no, it's not the battery. The battery is perfectly fine. So I'm thinking, okay, it's the alternator. So when I replaced the alternator, I took the alternator and took it for testing. They say that the alternator is perfectly fine. So I'm like, what's going on? So there's something in my car killing my battery. On a full charge, it'll last me a few months, and then eventually it'll start need to jump. So what I'm thinking, I know it's not the alternator, because again, like I got the alternator tasted, and when I take the terminals off the alternator, off the battery, the car is still running off the terminal, off the alternator. I keep switching my words up, sorry about that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and test everything out with a battery charger. This is not your typical battery charger. You'll just hook it up and actually just charge the battery. This one right here is the NEXPEAK Intelligent Pulse Repair Charger. It's a 7-stage charger. So basically it'll detect your charge on your battery, repair your battery if needed, and it'll charge it as well. So it does a lot of stuff to it. There's a lot of functions on here that it does for the battery. So you can repair the battery, and if it's a bad battery, it'll tell you battery's not chargeable, need a replacement, and whatever it does. So this comes in various colors. This comes either in red, yellow, blue, green, black, and they have other colors too. But I did buy this one, and they sent me a red one for some reason. I don't know why. I would have chosen the black one. I thought I chose the black one. So this is not a sponsored video. They send this for free. I actually bought it because I do need it for myself. So the box is very simple. It tells you all the 7 stages, which it was right side up on this side, but upside down here. So sorry about that. So this is the box right here, guys. Very simple. You have NEXPEAK. The model number is NC201, and it's a 7-stage charging, 12 volt, 10 amps till 24 volts till 5 amps. It's an intelligent pulse repair charger, and it gives you the 7 stages that they do. These are the things that they do here. They cold start charging, motorcycle charger, wet charger, repair, equipment batteries, marine batteries, motorcycle batteries, car batteries, and it works for both winter and summertime. I don't know what that means, because I don't think that really makes a big deal. Well, I guess summer here all year round, so I'm in Florida. On the side here, it gives you all the colors that they have available. There's the tech support information is right there, so you can call them, text them, email them, and Facebook them, all right there. On the back is the same as the front. On the other side here gives you the same specs I gave you, how big it is and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what's inside. All right, so when you first open it up, it comes up like this, and this is it right here. So the red one is not too bad. The red one I can deal with, I like it. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side for right now. It's right here. The other thing that comes inside here is instruction manual right here. This is how big the instruction manual is. Gives you all the information front and back. It tells you how to use it and everything. All right. So basically, these are the 7 stages, and it tells you exactly how to use it. Okay, there's different modes, like they say, to repair mode, charger mode, marine mode, car mode, motorcycle, whatever mode, you change it from right here. This is how you change it, and these are the steps that you go ahead and pick. These will be the modes, and I'll have an LED display here with all the information. I'm gonna plug it up real quick to show you what it looks like here, and so we could go ahead and take a look at it. Since I do have a battery thing here, well, not a battery thing, a wall outlet. So I'm gonna open this up real quick here. All right, so when you first plug it up, guys, this is how it turns on. Tells you right there all the voltage. If it shows you right there, I don't know if you can tell too much. I'm gonna turn off the light. It's gonna be dark for me, but you can see the display if I turn off the light. All right, so as you see, guys, here gives you all the maximum current and voltage on the battery itself, or how much it's charging. Over here, once you connect to the battery, it tells you how full the battery is, what information else you need from here, whether it's a dead battery or a good battery just needs a charge. Tells you how much time there is on here sometimes. Tells you what mode it is. Right now we're in summertime, according to the date. And this right here is a button that is a touch button. So these, like I said, these are the modes here. You see the light indicator right here. If I touch this, it's gonna change it to here. Touch it again, changes there. That indicates what mode is on, whether it be car, motorcycle, marine, equipment, industrial equipment stuff. You could change the mode from there, and then they also have the option to repair the battery. So I'm gonna turn my light back on and go over my final thoughts on this. All right, guys, so we went over that. We show you how everything looks and how it should work. I'm gonna test it on my own time because I'm not gonna go and test it now and then not show you the full compatibility of it. I do wanna go and test it, make sure everything works, and then I'll do maybe a follow-up video down the road. But this is a very inexpensive device. I'll leave a link down below if you do want to get the device. It does repairs, does charging for all types of battery, whether, like I mentioned, whether it be a motorcycle battery. You know, those motorcycle batteries are about this big. Car batteries, that it could be as big as this box sometimes, or even bigger. Does industrial equipment batteries, so those batteries are huge, guys. They're about the size of this screen right here. That's how big those batteries are. Those are big chargers. It charges those stuff batteries too. So it does a lot for a little machine like this. So like I said, we'll test it out and then take it from there. So that's it for today. I just wanted to unbox and show you what the box is. And if you like this video and every time I show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of this video, guys, hit the subscribe button and every bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you're not going to want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out here. Peace.